Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Hey, first, I need facts as to why you think you need a reentry visa. I'm suspecting that you might have been deported, you may have a crime, you may be subject to the 3 to 10 year bar for unlawful presence. So I need a lot of facts in this case to know how to help. I mean, when you say your son badly needs you there, does he have a medical condition? Is he a minor? Are you going to take care of him? Is basically he going to die without you being there? Is it a business arrangement? There are all kinds of facts that are needed. So you can see this question is very, very broad. I can tell you that based upon the fact that I think you probably were deported for some reason and you just want to be able to come back, you're either an aggravated felon because of a crime that was committed, or you're subject to the deportation bar. So I need to know how old your son is. Is he a U.S. citizen? I need to see what types of petitions that might be able to be done on your behalf. If it is a crime, and if you're an aggravated felon, I need to know, did you plead guilty to that crime? Were you consulted by an immigration attorney prior to taking the plea? Did you knowingly and voluntarily take the plea? Like, for example, did they say, if you plead guilty to this, you will get less time in criminal jail? But did they say you'll most likely be put in immigration detention and then deported for the rest of your life as an aggravated felon? If they didn't say that, then, and you didn't have the proper advice, then you could try to get that crime vacated or reduced, depending what it is, so that you're not considered an aggravated felon. I'd have to make sure that your parents and grandparents were not born in the U.S. or U.S. citizens, thereby possibly giving you a path of citizenship. I'd need to know if perhaps you were a victim of crime while in the U.S., and if you reported it, possibly giving you path to different types of criminal-related visas, criminal victim-related visas. The reentry permit for someone who does not otherwise qualify to get here is always possible. They can be paroled in under what's called 212D5, but they're quite sparingly used. And so when you say your son badly needs you there, does that mean you just really want to be in and you miss your son? Okay. Or does it really mean that he is, for example, a minor and maybe he's suffering in school because you're not there, and maybe he's having psychological problems, and maybe you have, supporting letters from doctors to verify all of this. So once I would have the facts, I'd be able to more aptly let you know what can be done. But I tend to try to fix the situation so you don't need a re-entry permit, so that you would be able to apply one way or another, either for the green card or to get the green card back. That's where I would focus my energies.